Hi, I'm Evelyn and today I'm going to go over how to create the boomerang effect using Final Cut Pro. Here I have a drone shot that I got at the beach and I already got the starting and end point from the long clip I already had. To begin the effect, you want to go to the beginning of the clip. So what I like to do is start the effect a second in on the video. That way it starts slow, normal, and then the effect will start inside all of this. And so I'll just go to the speed icon, select blade speed, and then go a second before the end, and then do the same thing. And then from there you can select this and drag it inside, and then you'll see the speed changing inside. You'll see the percentage go up. What you can also do is select the drop down icon here and change it to 20%. I like to leave it at 2000% in speed, just because this is that cool effect right there. So there's part of the clip. Okay, so now I'll create a compound clip. Let's call it beach. After that, we'll use Command C to copy the video. We'll go to the end of the clip and then use Command V to paste. I'll select the second clip and then I'll reverse that clip by going to the speed icon too. And then we'll wait for it to render. And then we should have the boomerang effect. And that's how you create the boomerang effect. Thank you for watching.